Hey everyone, Helper Dog here, stock and crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're diving into the Sentient AI token, ticker symbol Setai. This token has just been announced and is getting a major centralized exchange listing today, December 30th. I'll break down everything you need to know about this token and how you can buy it. But before we get started, just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This video is just informational, so always do your own research before investing, especially in crypto, as it can be very volatile. Now, let's get into it. Sentient AI is a really interesting project because it focuses on creating AI agents that are capable of human-like thinking, creativity, and empathy. These AI agents are designed to function as personal assistants or chatbots, helping people solve real-life problems with a unique mix of empathy and creativity. But what really sets this project apart is how these agents can adapt and learn in real time, making them incredibly useful in many different industries. Now, let's talk about how you can get your hands on some Setai tokens. As I mentioned, the token is listed on Mexc Global starting today, December 30th, at 10 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. If you're new to Mexc Global, you can easily sign up, fund your account with USDT, and then search for Setai in the trade section. Once you've found it, you can buy the token directly. It's a very simple process, and once you have the token, you can hold it in your wallet, stake it, or even explore the future developments of the Sentient AI platform. So, what makes Sentient AI and its agents so special? These AI agents have an incredible ability to perceive the world around them. They can respond to situations with empathy and creativity, making them ideal for a variety of use cases. Whether you need help with a personal issue, business strategy, or even market predictions, Sentient AI agents can provide support by analyzing data, understanding context, and offering solutions. A key part of the Sentient AI ecosystem is something called the Agent Launchpad. This is a platform specifically designed to help investors optimize their AI tokens and gain early access to investment opportunities across the Web3 space. The Agent Launchpad integrates with the U network, offering high-speed interactions, horizontal scalability for large-scale tasks, and cost-effectiveness, all while ensuring top-notch security. This launchpad is actually quite unique because it allows investors to access emerging projects that utilize AI in creative and innovative ways. They've already got 3 projects under incubation, and the first product is set to launch in January 2025, so there's a lot of exciting potential ahead. But the real magic of Sentient AI lies in how its agents can learn and adapt. They are designed to mimic human growth, with high levels of self-awareness, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These agents don't just perform tasks, they understand their environment, feel emotions, and build connections with users. This makes them incredibly valuable for businesses and individuals alike. Like the video, subscribe for daily crypto updates, and leave a comment with your thoughts on Sentient AI. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Peace out.